In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make banana oatmeal cookies. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney. My family goes through a lot of bananas, a lot. And I'm the only one who gets excited whenever those bananas start to turn brown. It's always because I get to bake with them. So I was looking for a healthier option. I started doing some research. Banana oatmeal cookies? And with minimal ingredients? That's a win on every level. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be a lot more videos coming. Let's do this.
Starting out with our bananas, we're going to take 2 ripe bananas, unpeel them of course, and I like to break them into pieces and put them in our mixing bowl. The more ripe they are, the easier they are to smash. Grab a potato masher and go to town on them. You can leave them as chunky or as creamy as you'd like. This is totally your preference. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I like to use the potato masher to incorporate all these together because I don't like having to use extra utensils and dirty them up if I don't have to. Now it's time for our oats. I'm adding 2 1/4 cup rolled oats. I have made this recipe using rolled oats and quick cooking oats. They both have different consistencies, and the quick cooking oats cook a lot faster. Just keep that in mind whenever you go to bake your cookies, whether you're using quick cooking or regular rolled oats. Now it's time to add 1/2 cup dairy-free chocolate chips. My favorite brand of dairy-free chocolate chips are Enjoy Life and Lily's. If you know of another brand of dairy-free chocolate chips that you absolutely love, drop a comment down below because I love trying new products.
These cookies are great for lunch boxes or snacks, breakfast even. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. You want a breakfast cookie, make it a little bit bigger. You want a snack, a little bit smaller, and for kids, whatever size they're gonna eat it.
It's time to scoop our cookie dough onto our silicone-lined baking sheet. Just as a heads up, whenever you go to scoop these onto your baking sheet, you're gonna notice they feel like they're falling apart and they're not gonna hold together. And that made me a little nervous the first time I made them. But when they baked, they really held together beautifully, which gave it the chewy cookie consistency. And I love to shape my cookies anyway because I'm neurotic whenever it comes to perfectly shaped cookies. It's a problem. Pop those in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. And what you're looking for here is that you just want them to stay together because after you pull them out of the oven, it's called carryover baking. They will continue to bake for just a little bit longer on your pan, and that's what you want. If you're going to wrap these up and save them for later, just make sure you let them cool completely before you do that.
But now I get to try it. I love the chocolate chips in this thing, the sweetness. Oh. Chocolate chip casualty. That's so good. It's chewy, it's soft, it's got the oats, it's very filling. I don't know if I want to share these. I would say don't tell anybody I made these, but the video kind of messes that up for me, doesn't it? Another thing I love about these is that they freeze really well. So I wrap them up individually and pop them in the freezer, and they're good in there for at least 8 months. Meals on the go, baby, I love it. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.